yeah, definitely come a long way. Don't have any sleep-ins anymore. I think I've matured a lot as well. Yeah. Yeah, started with Cartrefi 24 hours a day, and then it gradually declined, a couple of hours, and then they took the hours, the sleep-ins away totally, so that was great, and then I just continued cutting from then on. I'm down to 23 hours a week.
Before I started working with Matthew, the guys used to tell me, oh, when you go and work with Matthew, he lives in Broadwalk, he's going to rugby tackle you as soon as he meets you. And that's what he did. Like, but it's all play, you know, and he's a great guy, honestly. You couldn't ask to work with a better person. I don't see it as work, to be honest. It's like having a day out with a mate, like, you know.
So I've known Matthew about 15 years. You've come an awful long way. He used to have 24 hours support, 7 sleeps a week. He's very able. He chooses what he wants to do, when he wants to do it. He controls the situation, which is great. So I support him with all of his form filling and housing benefit, any issues with any sort of travel. He does his own bus pass, he applies for all of that, he sends his own emails. He's very, very able.
Cartrefi then found me a job in Asda's. Started in Asda's 18th February 2008, work on a chill department. You know, pays the bills and here we go.
Matthew's got his own ideas of what he wants to do always, you know, and he just loves gardening.
I love my garden. Yeah. So again, I have some support of the staff. How to plant it, how deep to plant it, how much compost, water it, and choosing them. Tony supports me as a woodwork and we enjoy that.
We built a workbench in there that Matthew ordered off Amazon. Don't get me wrong, I'm not brilliant at woodwork, but Matthew tends to find plans online of what he wants, specific. And then once he's got that in his mind, we try to make it, you know? When he wants to do something and he puts his mind to it, away he goes, like, you know?
I like my gaming as well, so I just sit and play on games all day or something. I can't have lager and that'll be it all day, like.
Matthew loves the gaming and things like that. As he said, we encourage to get him out, but otherwise he'd be sat in there and he'd be having a new game every day or whatever. He's quite good at them as well. He can really sort of like complete them in no time, you know?
He wanted to do his test on a motorbike, so I said, you're your own person, Matthew, you can do this. So I supported him heavily through that stage. And the first year was a lot of conversations with his parents and, you know, the risk that could have been there for him. We overcome all of that.
Dad's a copper and he's seen all these people picking up helmets with heads in it. And so he don't want to know, like, you know. He's coming around a bit. But my mother's like, she knows if I get killed, I've had a good time, like, you know. And it's a nice place to die up in Breck, and it's all scenic. It's all very, it's very picturesque.
He's very, very safe on that bike, you know, and like I say, there's no speeding with Matthew and things like that. He does look after himself, and I think he's a bit streetwise, you know.
Brilliant, just the freedom, and I absolutely love it, you know, being alone and going out over the hills and what have you.
If it was up to Matthew, he'd probably cancel stuff just to go out on the bike, like, in weather like this. And who can blame him, you know? Who can blame him, like, you know?
The first year I supported him heavily with the insurance, with the right equipment. Second year, it was only the insurance that he needed support with. And now he does it all independently. So he's come a long way.
Yeah, we've done loads and loads and loads of things with Matthew over the years, and he has come a long, long way in terms of attitude and in terms of how he interacts with people. He's got a very full life, you know, and it's a pleasure to be part of it, to be honest with you, because, you know, the guy is a great guy, you know, he is a great guy.